And finally, let's march behind Pupil and Barbell Malvis on the colorful set of their acoustic collaboration for Juicy Fruit, Nakakabaliw.
Hello, mixed viewers. We're Pupil, and we are on location now in the Sahara. No, we're not. We're filming our video for Nakakabaliw, which is a collaboration, of course, with Barbie, and is a song that we came up with to support the Juicy Fruit campaign.
It's acoustic, so Barbie's like the acoustic part and we are the rock part. It's a fusion basically of two styles that when you put it together, you come up with something totally, hopefully new.
Parang ganoon din yung video, parang makita nyo sa simula, parang humdrum ang buhay, pero pagka nagsama-sama yung mga opposing forces, mga opposing characters, in the end, it becomes an interesting mishmash.
Parang may marching band. We're all part of the marching band. And, yun lang, parang ano siya. It's like you suddenly, kasi you wake up, pakita yung parang may different world siya na parang kabaliktaran lahat. Parang yan.
Yeah, we're pretty excited dito sa video na to. We really love our costumes and it's been a great fun shoot.